Hey guys, this is WCU coming to you from the office. I'm not outside my driveway where I normally do my STI videos. But today, as you see before you, I have a couple different images and some typing. So I decided to add one of those Billetworkz license plate deletes. And I asked them to customize it, having the Gokugs with an exclamation mark along with the cougar head, as you can see. And before I even get into this, just saw some pretty terrible news about our former head coach of Washington State University football, Mike Leach. Right now, as this video hits, I'm not sure what exactly his status is right now, but he apparently had a massive heart attack yesterday and is in critical condition. They just removed the life support. So, Coach Mike Leach, man, I'm praying for a miracle here, and definitely praying for the family to comfort them during this very difficult time. Yeah, anyways, let's continue with the video. So I contacted Billetworkz and to see if they could do this. This font was not available on the website that they referenced, so I asked them if they could actually use this particular proprietary font when making the plate. And I don't know if you can see that, but this is the font of Washington State University. I don't know if this is something that Nike came up with for the university, but anyways. So I wanted the Goku's exclamation mark with a small cougar head right next to it. And what I have before me is hopefully the product that will be reflective of what I was hoping to get. I have not looked at this. This is the first time I'm opening this. So let's kind of take a look together. See what we have here. So once again, doing this one-handed. All right. So here we go. That does not look like what I ordered. Just kidding, it's upside down. Let's take a look here. Oh my goodness. These guys knocked it out of the park. Holy smokes. Wow. Oh my goodness. I am like amazed. So, that's what they were asked to do along with that. And they delivered. Oh my goodness. Kudos to you, Billetworkz. I will be definitely a customer for life to get more plates from you guys. All right. WCU Cougar X out.